Exercise 1. Complete the dialogue using the words in the box. Doing, apples, later, about, was, for.
Hello, Tom. How are you?
Hi, Anna. I'm good. Thank you. How about you?
I'm fine. What are you doing?
I'm shopping for food. I need bread and milk. What about you?
Oh, I want bananas and oranges.
That sounds tasty. Do you like apples?
Yes, I like apples too. But today I want bananas and oranges.
Okay, I have to go now, but it was nice seeing you.
Great. See you later, Tom.
Exercise 2. Complete the dialogue using the words in the box. May, to, please, now, sir, would.
Good morning, sir. What would you like?
Good morning. May I have a cup of tea?
Of course. Would you like anything else?
No, not right now.
That will be $1.30, please.
Okay.
Here is your tea. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Exercise 3. Complete the dialogue using the words in the box. 15, 10, need, take, train, do. Here.
Hello. I need a taxi.
Hi. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the train station.
Okay, please get in.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
That's good.
We are here.
Thank you. How much is it?
It is $10.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.